You know that expert that you wish you could hire full time? What if you could build one instead? Watch this. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get it on. All right, guys. So this is the landing page of Zbrain. The link to this will be in the description of the video. It enables users to build that intelligent AI brains and train their own data. So it transforms how businesses handle support, sales, research, and basically everything, just like marketing. Now, guys, if you could have that one AI that could do a lot of different things. You know for a fact that if you could hire somebody that could do all that and have a good behavior and good attitude, you would do it. But this one right here works more efficiently, and each ZBrain acts a custom trained knowledge worker. So it is capable of answering questions, remembering context, and improving over time. So that machine learning, guys, everything that comes through, like all the questions, all the things that it was able to work on, everything that it did, like say, for example, the ones that it did successfully, it will remember that. And unlike generic AI, ZBrain is tapping into your specific resources. So from the PDFs and the websites to the Notion pages and the emails to the delivering of precise, reliable responses, guys. Those can already be done by ZBrain. And this makes it an ideal solution for solopreneurs, small teams, and support operations that are looking to automate the workflows with accuracy. Now, instantly deploying and highly adaptable is the one that we are looking for here. So ZBrain is bringing the power of personalized artificial intelligence to the business that needs smarter, the faster, and the more contextual automation. Those are going to be done by ZBrain itself. So you got to go ahead and check this one out. And guys, just a quick heads up, if you're serious about staying relevant in the age of artificial intelligence, then this is for you. Now go ahead and check this one out, guys. Link to this will be in the description of the video. Outskill is hosting transformative 2-day AI Mastermind this weekend. They're offering 16 hours of expert-led training that is designed to elevate your artificial intelligence skills. Now, in this era of AI, guys, you got to go ahead and explore Outskill because participants will be able to learn more than 10 powerful tools, master the prompt engineering, and build AI apps as well as automate workflows. And guys, you do not have to be technically savvy because no technical background is required for you to learn this one. Normally, it is priced at $895, but 1,000 free seats are available for the next 72 hours. And with over 4 million people already trained, okay, many attendees have gone to secure promotions, land new jobs, and launch profitable AI businesses of their own. And the program also includes $5,000 worth of exclusive bonuses, which also includes the Prompt Bible, an AI income roadmap, and a custom AI toolkit builder, which makes it a must attend for professionals that are ready to thrive in the AI era. And guys, go ahead and check this one out. You do not want to miss this one. Link to this will be in the description of the video to grab your free seat now and join their WhatsApp community for updates. So let's get back to the video. So guys, ZBrain is built for founders automating support, coaches that are creating AI assistants, the agencies that are deploying sales and research bots, and HR or the ops team streamlining internal questions. Now, it is actually connecting directly to your documents, your websites, your team systems, and your files, which allows it to answer like a trained human with the full context, the citations, and the memory. Now, guys, unlike human brain, wherein you do not really want to depend on it too much because sometimes, we forget a lot of stuff. Now, if it is an artificial intelligence and if it was able to come up and pass through all of those documents, it will definitely retain that and will give consistent responses based on all those data. Now, with no code interface and that rapid deployment, Zbrain makes it easy to launch the scalable, intelligent agents that deliver precise real-time responses. Of course, guys, I would strongly suggest that you would do your own research. That way you would know what you're getting yourself into. And of course, guys, make sure to check out the resources and click on docs right here, because this one will actually take you directly here where it has a ton of information that will definitely be able to help you out in getting to know them better and what they do, what are the benefits, what are the value propositions, what you would be able to get when you use Zbrain, okay? Now, guys, I would strongly recommend check out their website. There's a lot of information here, and you could build your first AI brain today. Grab your free seat at Outskill's Weekend Mastermind, 1,000 spots for 72 hours, $5,000 worth in bonuses. And if you want to truly understand your business using artificial intelligence, this is the moment. Check out the link in the description below. And if you're new to the channel, hopefully you would consider clicking that like, that subscribe, click that bell. That will always be notified when I upload new videos like this in the future. I'll see you on the next. I'm out. Peace.